Hi, welcome back. We are here talking about data stories. So, we are using data stories as a way to tap into the fact that humans are naturally very good at detecting patterns, which means we're actually really good at reading graphs so long as the graph has been well designed to kind of match up to that data story people are going to be looking for in the first place. So last time I talked to you in data story number 1 about most least. It's a very common data story our audiences are looking for. It's the kind of way that they are approaching our graph, looking for certain patterns to pop out at them based on the underlying questions that they have. Most least is a very common question. It would encourage us to make things like bar charts, well constructed bar charts and their cousins that most efficiently answer that most least question for folks. Now we're here to talk about data story number 2. The second data story is about goal. Did we meet our goal? Did we meet our target? Did we meet our benchmark? And that's a very common, very common question that decision makers have walking around inside of their heads that they want to have answered by the patterns they are looking for in your chart. So what kind of charts are going to tell that story the best? We're going to be looking for usually things like target lines. So in that kind of case, it would be like some column charts with like some sort of benchmark or target line positioned against them. Another way that we would commonly see this is with like an indicator dot. This is usually when you would have like a table and some cells in your table would have like this bright red dot saying that there's trouble here, we're not meeting our goal, we're not meeting our benchmark. Both of those rely on extra marks to communicate that goal or that benchmark and whether or not it was met. Usually that extra mark is put in some kind of pop color so that the patterns our people are looking for will jump right out into their face. This is how we get to those like really efficient decision-making meetings. Oh, Captain Fuzzy Pants is going to make an appearance here. So we talk about these data stories in our new workshop geared toward data consumers, and you can write to me if you want more information about it, or you can just stay tuned. We're going to talk about data story number 3 pretty soon. Till then.